Check one, check.
Let's talk about Princess Auto.
Okay.
You know the little flyer that comes in the mail? Mm-hmm. Have you ever in your life hidden that on anybody?
Yeah, I do. I throw it in the recycle bin.
Why?
Right out of the mailbox.
Why?
Because
There's no coupons in it?
said person didn't need any more shit from Princess Auto, and I made that decision. Mm-hmm.
But what if there was if you could sign up to a membership there? Maybe said person had a membership there. So what I'm hearing, relationships and all.
I screen.
You're screening it, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're screening it.
Mm-hmm.
But, okay, so G-Land, just full disclosure here. She actually signs me up for memberships that I don't want.
Oh, the key tags are the best.
Oh,
the best.
What
you
the
were
fuck?
actually in a stubborn time, and I put a
Who
key
was
tag.
that? What was that for?
I don't know. Points.
Points.
Have you used it?
What? I don't even know what does it do?
I don't know. You have to read. You get points, and then you get free shit.
Nah. So she signs me up. How many people has that happened to? You know what? She signs me up for said membership, whatever that is. I got my own fucking problems. You know what I mean?
That's not a problem.
Well, it is because
saving money and getting free shit is not a problem.
it's never free.
It's a perk.
It's
a perk.
never free.
You're
Ever.
Wrong. You're wrong.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
The only time shit is free, like if you buy a lottery ticket, guess what? Those aren't free either.
Mm-hmm.
But they spin the wheel and by chance you win. Okay, you probably made your money back if you hit the big one, right? But it's not free.
Nope.
If you enter a draw for, I don't know, a gun case, whatever, you're entering a cooler, right? A tailgate party cooler or something full of booze or whatever. Actually, you can't do that legally, but you enter a draw and you win a backpack, right? That is free to you, but you gave them all your information and then you're going to get spammed. So it's not really free in a sense that you and I know free. Does that make sense?
I think you need some free advice.
I don't think I do.
And I'm here for that.
No. So if you go to the grocery store, a lot of people they do the coupon thing. Like that's a big thing. Because they're. I mean, I've seen the shows that do these reality shows.
Oh, the couponing shows, yeah.
Yeah.
People get some crazy free stuff.
You know what? Those guys are in. They're in.
It's like a professional job.
But guess what? With those coupons, they're snipped out of a newspaper, right? They're not. Maybe there's an online version of that. Maybe. It probably is.
I don't read the newspaper.
But they got stacks of them, kind of like your lottery ticket book thing, right? You just got there's stacks of them. They never had to sign up for anything for that. They're just using the coupons that were printed in the newspaper or, a magazine or a doorstopper or whatever, right? That makes sense. But you get behind one of those people in a lineup in a grocery store, fuck. Because they ring everything through and then they got to ring everything backwards. And
you know what? I think with the price of everything and inflation just going through the roof, I think sometimes it's just nice to get something free or get a discount or
to
a
feel like
2-for-1.
you've got something free.
What's about my feelings? You're not telling me how to feel right now, are you?
No, I'm just no.
Okay, just want to be clear.
I'm not trying to do that, but I'm trying to say nothing is for free.
Wrong.
That's probably the worst advice anybody's ever given to anybody. There's nothing free. Is that I'm looking at the glass half empty or half full?
Yeah.
That's the reality.
We need to work on that.
I knew somebody who also believed that same thing. You know that? Get pissed off because they're just proving that they've been overcharging you for the rest of the year. And I think you know that person too. Yeah, Princess Auto stuff. Right?
Okay. I don't know. I think we have a lot of pondering to do on this topic.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
But if that's what floats your boat, to think that you're getting something for free and get excited about that, okay. Now we're on the topic of getting stuff for free. We got to feel like we win when we buy things, right?
It's a deal.
We're getting a smoking deal, right? So when I go into the store and I buy a new guitar, right?
You don't need a new one. You have 1,000.
I don't, but thanks for, taking that from me, because I don't. But if I go in and buy, let's say the guitar is $14.99, right?
You can't buy a guitar for $14.
$1,499, right?
Okay.
I'm going to come home. So by the time you do taxes and...
It's $2,000.
Well, it's not quite that high, but okay, for argument's sake, let's say it's $2,000. I'm going to come home and I'm going to tell you. You're going to say, well, how much was it? I'll say $1,400. Right? That's what I'll say.
It's 15.
Yeah, but I'm going to tell you 14. Do you know why? Because I'm getting a deal.
It's marketing.
I'll actually say, you know what? They're on sale. Because I know that's what floats your boat. Right? Yes, how many guys have done that? It's a great sale. Right?
If it's something you need, it's a great sale, but...
It's never anything you need.
Yeah, because you don't need another guitar.
If it was something you needed, you pay full price, and you're pissed off because you're paying full price, because you need it. But if it's a luxury item or something you don't really need, it's always on sale, even when it's not. Right? From my end of the table. Okay. Right? Because so you will do the exact opposite. Actually, you'll you said this in an episode previous. You said, well, I can't remember which episode it was. We're talking about money, obviously, but you said that. I think I prefaced it by saying I went and bought a new set of golf clubs or something. You said, "Oh, did you buy me a set?" And I said, "No." And then whatever we were chatting about, I don't remember what episode that was, but it was funny. And you said, "Well, you came home and you bought a pair of shoes on the way home, or a purse or something like that." And I said, "Well, that's not so bad." And you go, "Well, yeah, but I didn't tell you about the purse and the outfit that went with the pair of shoes, or however that went." Do you remember that?
But you never asked.
Well, no, but I don't really care. Like, if that's what you had to do, that's what
hurtful.
No, I don't care if you went and bought said items. As long as it makes you happy. But you won't go and say, well, they were on sale.
Yeah, I do. I love a deal.
You might tell me the shoes were on sale, but you wouldn't say the purse and the...
No, but sometimes if the shoes are half price, then it's like you're getting a free dress, right? So, yeah.
You know what else is free? When you don't tell me about the shit. Right? But this is why guys do that. We round down when you round up. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense?
No.
I think it does.
Okay.
But men are from Mars, women are, just
Venus.
not from here, ever.
And women have matching shoes and handbags. And that's important.
Yeah, it kind of is important. Okay, I think we nailed this topic.
Do you think? Thank you for saying it my way. All righty.
Is there anything else? No, don't finish yet. Just hang on.
Well, you said, okay.
Coupons, memberships, and...
Points cards.
Right. No, it was called something else.
Credit cards.
Not credit cards.
Yeah, store credit cards.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, membership cards, not credit cards. Membership cards.
Yeah.
Right. That don't...
Free shit.
Yeah. You know what? I have one membership card that's free. You know what that is? It's a fucking library card.
You don't read.
Okay. I look at the pictures.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we nailed this.
Alrighty. So for Let's Talk About That, I'm G. Lenda, and make sure to live your best life.
And I'm Seckert, and signing out for now. Remember, somebody will always need a ride, even if you have a coupon. So,
Over and out.
see you later.